Hello everyone. So I have this Mitsubishi Outlander and I noticed the blower motor doesn't work. Couple weeks ago I noticed that the blower was on. So when you have it on auto and with any temperature setting lower than the inside temperature, the blower should run. So I noticed that day that it wasn't running. So I turned it off and I turned it back to auto, and that day it ran no problem. The other day I have the car parked and then I came back, started it, and the blower never worked. So I already diagnosed it and I know I need a blower motor. So I just wanted to show you which step I went through to know that I need a blower motor. So I have this scan tool. So first I tried to how do you call that to use actuation test to turn it on. So I can show you how I do it with this scanner. So the blower motor leave down there. I have the blue wire over there is the wire going to the blower motor. I have everything open already. So this is the launch. This is it's a diagnose Pro, but it's based on launch software. I have my dongle connected already, so I'm just gonna turn on the ignition. I think I have to go into AC. Turn off the radio. Okay. I just have to go in the AC module and go to actuation text, and I should be able to turn. I did it, but nothing happened. So so I can go to either intelligent diagnostic. Oh yeah, it identify the car, and I go diagnostic. Okay, and it showed me this topology, but like I say in other of my video, this topology is not right, because I might make a video on this. This car has a gateway, so that module that they call e-tax, that's a gateway for when you connect to the OBD2. The OBD2 is connected to the e-tac, and then the e-tac talk to the rest of the network. I might have to do a video on that. Let's go to smart detection. So it's just gonna show which module it's equipped with and which is not. So it's done. I'm not going to worry about the audio code in audio module. I'm just going to go to AC, enter, and I go to there's no code. That blower doesn't have any feedback to the computer, to the ACM. So if the blower is not running, it won't tell you. It won't give any fault. I don't know, maybe on the other car, I will think if the blower not running, the ACM should see that no current is no current flowing through, but there's no feedback. So actuation test. I went through this already. I think they call it front fan. So I can just search front. Yeah, front blower. So now they said input the value range. On other scanner, there's already a value in there, and then you just press OK. So I'm going to put 16 and say OK. So it's completed. So I think I should, the blower should run, but it doesn't run. So my next step was to go straight at the blower. Let me exit from here. Go back. So at this point, the scanner won't help me because the blower is not running, no fault, nothing. So the scanner won't help me. So I use my multimeter. Oh, my battery is low. So I use my multimeter I put it at the blower connector down there, and then I got 12 volt. I'm not gonna do that again, but with that, that's not a final decision, because having a voltage over there doesn't mean that circuit can carry current. So I have this homemade test light. So I made it myself. So I put it on that connector, and then I turn the blower on, and then I see that the light came on. So that's where I went straight to the junkyard and I got another blower. So I'm just gonna unplug, and also I tested the resistance of the blower. It showed like 1.2 kilo ohm. So I knew right away that blower gave up. So I'm just gonna put this lamp on that blower connector, and we see if the light turn on or no. Yeah. So I'm gonna just leave the camera here for now, and I'm gonna try to get to that connector from the front seat. Yeah, I can get to it. So I have it unplugged. Just gonna put my test light to that connector. Oh, look. So as you can see, the test light is on. So the blower was on all this time. So I'm gonna just try to turn it off here. See? So the light turns off. Light turns on. Yeah, so at this point I knew I need a blower. So I'm gonna try something, turn it off, and try to turn it on with the scanner and see if it will work. So I'll go back to AC. Actuation test, and we look for front blower. Yeah. And then I'm gonna input 16. Let's see what. See? So the test light came on really bright. So I hit exit. Then the test light turned off. So yeah, at this point I knew I need a blower. motor. So I went to the junkyard and then I got one over there. So this is what I got from the junkyard. I got it from a 2017 Mitsubishi Lancer. So I'm just I can test the resistance of this one because I tested the other one, the other resistance, and it showed me kilo ohm. I'm pretty sure this won't be kilo ohm. Let me just grab my multimeter. So I got my multimeter. It's a Mastercraft. So let's set it to ohm. And I'm just gonna put the test lead on those, and let's see if I can do it with one hand. Now I'm gonna have to put the camera aside and then do it. So 0.8 ohm, 0.7 ohm. So yeah. So when I see that 1 kilo ohm, I knew that something happened to it. So I'm gonna, I cannot replace the blower with one hand, so I'm just gonna replace it. And if there's something else, I can film it for you guys. So the blower motor is just 3 bolts. It's really easy to replace. So it's just 3 bolts, and there's a hose here. I don't know where that hose goes. So yeah, something else I wanted to show you. I have the information, the information from the service manual here. Oh, it doesn't want to open. So I'm gonna have to 55A. I have to go back, open it again. 55A. So 50. Let's try this one. No, the other one. Yeah, okay. So this is the how to troubleshoot inspection procedure number 4. Blower, fan, and motor do not run, do not turn. Yeah, so let's say if I put the test light over there and then do the actuation test and it doesn't turn on, so then I will know I have to. So as you can see this diagram, there is a relay on the ETAX ECU that control that motor. No. So there is a AC ECU and one relay on the ETAC ECU. And then the power transistor. So I guess when you turn the car on, you have power, you have this relay that is going to be closed, and then whenever this guy want the blower to be on, he will turn it on through this power transistor. Yeah. So if let's say I put the Tesla over there and then it doesn't work when I do the actuation test. Yeah, I will use this this troubleshooting guide. They show you where the relay is located. I read it. They say if the blower motor does not operate, the blower relay system is suspected. This is so yeah. It's a long connector C114. That's the connector where I put the test light. Yeah. So they tell you what to do. You need some test harness, and I checked those harness. Those are really expensive harness. I think the test light is enough. Yeah, so they tell you to measure the voltage. They even tell you to remove that blower motor and put it straight on a battery and see if it will run. Yeah. Yeah, I think if you go through this troubleshooter, you will get it. Yeah, so that's what I did. And then I decided that I'd most likely need a blower motor. So I'm going to just install this and we'll see. So the blower motor is installed. So this is the old one. This is the one that I removed. And when I spin it, I feel like the bearing, something to do with the bearing. I don't know. It doesn't spin. It doesn't spin freely. So I'm just gonna go. I think right now if I turn on the ignition, because no, it's on off. So I'm just gonna turn on the ignition. And I'm gonna go in I can just turn on yeah, it's way easier like that. I can just turn on here and we can hear the blower. Holy. Wow. It's making a lot of noise. So that blower also is not good. Wow. Wow. It is so noisy. I don't know why. Okay, so I'm just gonna maybe try to return it to the junkyard to get my money back, or yeah, or I'm just gonna get a new one. I hope this helps somebody. I'm here at one of the city junkyard to pull a blower motor for my Mitsubishi. It's pretty big here. Oh. They told me at the very back. So see this. I don't see any Mitsubishi yet. There's a Kia. Oh. Kia, Subaru. Subaru. I don't see any Mitsubishi. Okay, I'm gonna stop the camera right now and just look for the Mitsubishi. Because I have a hard time to find it, and then I don't have much time. Those are Kia. Oh, Mitsubishi. Okay. That's the Endeavor. I don't know if the blower motor is same or no. Oh my God. So that means the Mitsubishi is not far from here. But definitely I'm gonna look for this Endeavor. Might be the same part number. I check online, it says Lancer, only Lancer. Fuck. No Mitsubishi. Just keep going. I just have to come back another day because the roads are not numbered, and they told me at the very end. So those are it's all mixed up. It's all messed up. Kia. What's this one? It's a Kia. Okay, I'm gonna shut down the camera and try to look for a Mitsubishi. So I found the Outlander and the Lancer. They're just all over the place. So yeah, like I saw online, this is 27. So I don't want a blower from this one. This is too old, eh? It's just too old. Yeah, in case the blower. Yeah. Oh, the blower is gone. Yeah, there's nothing. There's nothing in there. Okay. Check the lens. So this is a V6, exactly like the one I have. Ooh. I think I need this pressure switch for the AC as well. So I'm gonna come back here and remove it. This is another lens. Engine is gone. What year is this? Did they mention? So blower is there. No blower. It's kind of empty. This one. Yeah, this one is a blower. Yeah, the blower is there. I don't know what year is this. Oh, this is a 2017. Perfect. So the engine is still in there. So I'm gonna just, I don't have anything to put the camera on. I'm just gonna remove it. I'm gonna turn the camera off for now. It's a mess in there. I have only 15 minutes. Shouldn't be that hard. Oh, this one they didn't remove the windshield fluid washer. The windshield fluid. So the sensor I'm looking for, I might take it from this one too. It's just newer. So yeah, it's gonna be down here. Okay, good. Let's get to work. So I got the blower out, but it was held by 3 different bolts. So the third one here was a different bolt. So which tells me somebody been here before. So, but it has a Mitsubishi part number on it. Okay, so I think I'm gonna give it a try. Gonna take it and pay for it and see. I don't know if it's an aftermarket. This part number is not the same as the one I have, but I checked, they said it's the same, they share the same. So I give it a try. So this is what the junkyard charged me for the blower motor. They told me if they have it in stock, so they told me if I want to just pay for what they have in stock, it's going to be $65, 65 Canadian dollars. But because I remove it myself, this is what the total came to, so 45 plus tax.